Salesforce announcing its intent to buy Slack this week for $27.7 billion, the second biggest software deal ever. Not only is the price high, this deal is expensive. Salesforce paying 24 times next year's sales. The question, of course, is it a good idea? Who has the answer? Well, John Ford is here to weigh in. He might have two answers. John?
Well, is it a good idea, Andrew? Let me tell you how good an idea it is. Slack has redefined enterprise communication. Stuart Butterfield is the founder. Butterfield tried to start a gaming company, failed, but Flickr came out of it instead. Sold it to Yahoo for $25 million 15 years ago when that was kind of a lot of money. Then he tried to start another gaming company and failed, but Slack came out of it and he just sold it for $27 billion. All Marc Benioff has to do to make this work is ask Stu Butterfield to try to start a gaming company inside Salesforce. But seriously, big tech deals usually fail. Difference here, Benioff has a track record for making them work. He has founder vision and founder credibility to merge cultures. Stu Butterfield is also a founder who knows how to keep working an idea until it's a win. Benioff is trying to cement Salesforce's plan in that top tier of tech giants. He's got to take on Microsoft, Adobe, battles on multiple fronts. A top-tier leader like Butterfield gets him there for around 15% of his market cap.
Okay, I hear you. I hear you. So, no, money is not an object here. I mean, there's got to be another side to this.
Well, I mean, on the other hand, these are publicly traded companies. Of course, money is an object. And the multiple Salesforce is paying for Slack is insane. 24 times forward revenue, that can't pencil out. There's no plan for selling Slack into the Salesforce base that justifies that. There's no integration of Slack across the portfolio that adds $28 billion in value. I mean, I get the argument about Benioff and how good he is at acquisitions, but here's the counter argument. Apple. Apple has managed to grow into a $2 trillion company without going out on 11-figure buying binges. There was nothing better to buy isn't a great reason to buy something. I know that's the equity market motto of 2020, but year's almost over, Andrew.
Okay, so we know for Butterfield and for Slack, it's a great deal. I don't even think you could do it on the other hand for that. I think it's on one hand for that.
Yeah.
But tell us for real, what does John Ford really think here? Well, does this end up making sense?
I think it's a long shot, but it's the kind of long shot that founder plus founder can make work. I mean, this reminds me of Facebook buying Instagram. Of course, the scale is entirely different. But, at the time, that was a little team, and Facebook was paying billions, and people were like, there's no way this can pencil out. Well, unless you can build an entirely new way at social networking that not only transforms, Instagram, but also transforms Facebook. There's that kind of possibility here, especially when you look at Benioff really needing more strong leadership at this company if he's going to grow it at the scale that he wants to. A founder like Butterfield could do it, but it's a long shot.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.